to a much more reliable source, Fox News. Much more robust.
Sure.
South Dakota cop delivered DoorDash food over after arresting driver. A video of a viral food delivery was caught on the customer's Ring doorbell. So the driver for DoorDash gets arrested, and then the cop's like, well, this person still needs their food.
Yeah.
That's pretty
It's
cool.
like, let me see your phone for a second.
That's
I want
kind of
to
nice.
get the address.
Maybe he knows the pain of like not receiving an order, and he's like, I got to get this to these people because I don't want to leave them high and dry.
Sure. A Ring doorbell video captured the moment Sioux Falls police officer Sam Burr walked up to the customer holding an Arby's order on Tuesday afternoon.
Oh, it was Arby's?
I know I'm not who you were expecting, but your driver got arrested for some things he didn't take care of. Okay, so I guess he had some unpaid tickets, or it doesn't sound that bad. The smiling cop tells the woman, who bursts out laughing. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you, he adds before heading back on patrol. Wow. What a gentle moment. Look at her reaction.
Look how happy she is to get her Arby's.
Hey, man.
No, I'm just saying. Like, it's a big Arby's fan right there.
No, she's happy because it's the cop, Jack, and it's an unusual. She gets Arby's every day. Come on.
Yeah.
It's no big deal. The Arby's is down the street.
It's delicious.
Wow. I'm sure he's not. Wait, let me just read that one quote and then we'll go there. I'm sure he's not really liking all the publicity right now, but I mean, cops like him deserve to be recognized. Yeah. Okay. So she wants to give him a shout out.
Arby's is the one where they have to say, we've got the meats, right? When you go in.
Really?
What do you mean have to say it?
Like they have to.
They have to?
Yeah, like if you say...
I didn't know that. I mean, I've heard the term before. I didn't know they have to say it.
Like if they get probed to say it, they have to say, and we have the meats.
So I go in and I say, do you have the meats? And then they say, we have the meats.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It seems like a bunch of kids would just troll them if that was the case.
Well, it's funny on an
Like, say
episode of Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee, Seinfeld goes there with one of his guests. I can't remember which one. And they do that a bunch of times to the guys working there. Like, you have the what? And they had to be like, we have the meats.
Oh, God.
And Seinfeld starts laughing.
So painful.